All right, time to take a look at the Nuovoware screw extractor kit. So there it is. We got our bit holder right here. So we can take our bit and throw it in there, and that will hold it. If we want to release it, just pull on the chuck, and that will let it come out. And then we have this little adapter. It's going to do the same thing, but we can see this is a 1/4 inch, and then we have a smaller size in the middle. So that is going to be for our tiny bits. So if we wanted to use this size, we would have to use that adapter to get a good hold on it. Now we don't really have to use either of these. We could just chuck this directly into the drill if we wanted to. This is just going to give us a little bit more reach. And then for the screw extractors, it's the same thing. These are going to turn counterclockwise. And for the drills, we got a number 1 up to a number 10. And then for the extractors, we got the same thing. So if we're going to use a number 6, we would just use the number 6 extractor. So they're all one above the other. All right, so I got my screw in there, and I'm going to try to extract it. So I'm going to start with a number 4. There we go. Cool. So I dug it out and then eventually grabbed and it pulled it out. So yeah, overall, that's a very neat set.